That was.
It's not really in your interest to discuss any facts of the case with the judge, whether you like me or not. It's not good for you to tell him the facts. It's best for you to be quiet, Mr. Baldwin. And good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Ben Dunawith on behalf of Mr. Baldwin, who stands to my right.
Your name, sir?
Mr. Deanne Baldwin.
All right. You're seeking a forensic evaluation? Or
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may.
well, hold on a second. Actually, did you get a report?
No, I submitted the referral form to the clerk of the court by email yesterday. He's not yet been.
Order for an evaluation. Right. I see that. Okay, I'm sorry. Got it. All right.
If I may speak, Judge.
You wanted to say something? What do you want to say?
Yes, I wanted to relieve my public defender yesterday when he came to visit me. He just was incoherent with what I was saying. I wanted to proceed with a preliminary examination with 3 people to show for their side: Nicole Jones, Robert Jones, and Booker T. Jones.
What do you mean he was incoherent? You couldn't understand him?
Yeah, he didn't seem to be understanding what I was saying. He was asking me if I was the owner of the home. I was telling him no. I was applying for personal rep of the property.
So he was asking you whether or not you had ownership in the home on a home invasion case.
Yes.
What a shock.
My brother was the last to have ownership.
So
And that was.
It's not really in your interest to discuss any facts of the case with the judge, whether you like me or not. It's not good for you to tell him the facts. It's best for you to be quiet, Mr. Baldwin.
So the 11/6 was the date
So, sir,
of the last rep. Now
that involves a probate proceeding, right?
yeah, so I
And
have
that's why
63.
your attorney was doing the proper thing, just based upon what you're saying, and asking regarding certain things regarding that. I don't need to know the terms of that, but that's just a natural kind of thing. And sometimes, if people don't really know what the probate issue is, it's hard to explain, which may have, and you probably were doing it improperly and not with the proper terms, which is probably why counsel may not have understood exactly what you were saying. It has nothing to do with him. So your motion to try to relieve the public defender's office, if that's your reason, is denied.
No problem.
And I will order the competency evaluation, and I'll set that for March 26, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case. People versus Lucretia Pender.
Help us with the people.
Yeah. Hang on a second, Miss Pender. Zaid. He's in Zoom. Your attorney, there he is. All right. Call the case, counsel. It's going to be one of those days. Mr. Zaid, I called the case. I don't think he can hear me. He just dropped. Miss Pender, I'll recall your case. He just dropped off our screen.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Court does call the case of the people versus Mary Barney.
And then on behalf of people. The public defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Ms. Barney, who stands to my right. Mary Barney. Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor should be in receipt of a green sheet. I am requesting an adjournment of both files. I do have a correction to what I wrote in the green sheet, which was correct at the time. Our office has now received discovery in the second case late yesterday afternoon. That being said, we are still requesting an adjournment in order to review it and discuss it with Ms. Barney. Then I do have a very brief request as to bond when appropriate.
Probable cause conference, January 8, 2026, 9 a.m. As to bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did speak to Ms. Zenda regarding this, and I do understand that this request was made at the last court hearing regarding this case. We are requesting that Ms. Barney be released inpatient substance treatment. The only thing that has changed since this request has been made at the last hearing is that Ms. Barney has now been arraigned on the companion case, and it is my understanding that she is now arraigned and there are no new cases coming, so to speak. Outside of that, Your Honor, I'm just asking if Ms. Barney could be allowed to be released inpatient treatment.
Response.
Your Honor, I'm gonna object again. The reason I say previously, I just don't think that's inappropriate. At this time, for Ms. Barney, I have concerns about the community. I have concerns about the victims. We've talked with them. They are on board. They're extremely afraid of Ms. Barney and this escalation, her behavior with violence towards them, and their child that was in the home. So I'm just gonna object for the reasons I previously stated at this time.
And the court's going to continue its order. I'm going to deny the request. Her bond will continue. Thank you.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Michaela Whitfield.
Master Feltus for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I please start Todd Kaluzny on behalf of Ms. Whitfield?
Ms. Whitfield, can you state your name, please?
Michaela Whitfield, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we had a probable cause conference on December 11th. We adjourned to today's date for discovery. There were some outstanding videos that I still don't have. I talked to Ms. Feltus yesterday, and she is still looking into getting those videos for me. So we're asking for another probable cause conference.
That's correct. I have reached out to the Michigan State Police. We're looking for a video from an interview room at the post, in addition to one other trooper's video. So we have several videos. We're just looking for a couple more.
Got it. Okay, you think you can get that to them? And if I set this for the 15th,
I hope so, Your Honor.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned January 15th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Whitfield.
Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Kurt Bushland.
Master Feltus for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Jay Grant Miller, P58658, on behalf of Mr. Bushline, who approaches the podium.
Kurt James Bushline.
All right, you're seeking another adjournment.
Your Honor, we're trying to contact Gratiot County, and I'm just having a little more difficulty than I thought I would. So if we could possibly put it over to the 15th, we're trying to get a universal kind of settlement.
You want the 15th?
Please.
All right. That objection, probable cause conference, January 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.